Construction 6.7, division of a line segment. Method 1. Example, divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So what we have here is you are given a line segment of a certain length and we have to divide it into 3 equal pieces or parts using a construction. So we're not allowed to measure it with a ruler and divide by 3. Okay, so we have to do a construction. Here I'm going to show the first of 2 methods. What we do is we go to one of the ends. In this particular example, I'm going to pick A, and we draw a line off at an acute angle. I'm going to draw it downwards like so, and I can extend it a little bit further as well, like that. A random line that we draw off like this. The next step is we get our compass, and we don't have our radius too small, but you don't want it too big either. I'm going to put my compass point at A and set my compass out a little bit, and I'm going to swing an arc to cut that line once. Now this is important. I must keep the radius the same, and what I do is I just bring my point to that new point and I swing another arc, and then I do it once more. I swing there. So what we have is we've got position 1, 2 and 3. And the reason I chose 3 was because we were asked to divide the line into 3 equal parts. If we had been asked to divide the line into 4 equal parts or 5 equal parts, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the basic idea of this is we're going to draw a line from point 3, which is our final point, back to B with a set square as shown. It's a construction line. And both methods that I'm going to show, the general idea is we want lines that are parallel to this guy from point 2 and another parallel line from point 1. And it turns out that these parallel lines that I'm going to draw are going to automatically break AB into 3 equal parts. How the methods differ is the way in which we draw the parallel lines. So in this example, I'm going to use the set square technique. So to do this, I'm going to just tilt my page this way. I'm going to get my set square, this one here, and I'm going to make sure the 90 degree is over here on the left, and I'm going to line up the set square with the line I just drew from number 3 to B, like so. So just make sure it definitely is in line, and then you hold the set square steady. Don't let it move at all, a bit of pressure. You then get your other set square or a ruler or a straight edge, and you get it, and it's moving, and you butt it up against this side here so that it acts like a rail. And then I apply pressure to the left hand, and I don't move the left hand at all, and I release the pressure on the right, and I'm able to slide this backhand forward like that, and this remains parallel. So I slide it forward until it's in line with the number 2, and then I hold it steady. And then I draw a line from 2 across like this. Now I keep it steady, just going to swap my hands. And then I'm back to this one again, and I can slide this one along a little bit further, like so. Hold that one steady, and then push this one further along until it's in line with the number 1, like so. Hold it steady, and draw a line like that. Now, the net effect is, if I go back this way, if I've done this correctly and haven't let my set square slip or slide, this should be parallel to that, and also this should be parallel. And this means that this, and these 3 portions should be the same length. And that is the construction completed using set squares.